Hello friends, welcome to another video related to Shopify search engine optimization. In this lecture we will extend our first lecture related to search engine optimization. So in the previous lecture we discussed about how you can get a custom domain, why custom domain is important for your website, and then we study about how you can set up your Google Analytics. So in the third very most important tool for your search engine optimization is set up a Google Search Console. In search console you can see that submit your site map to Google through your Webmaster tool account you just created. Our Shopify store automatically generate a shop site map file which lists your website's individual pages. A sitemap tells Google and other search engines about the organization of your site. If you are curious, Shopify store owner can access their sitemap through www.yourstore.com/sitemap.xml. So you can I hope you will understand why the Google Search Console is important for your search engine optimization. How to use a Google Webmaster tool to check of any crawling error. Search engine index website through bot that crawl a website and its page. A crawling error happen when a bot try to reach a specific page but fail. If you are alerted about any error, work to fix them immediately. And then in the third step, verify your Shopify domain. Third-party services like Google Webmaster require you to verify your domain to make sure you are the correct owner of your Shopify store before they provide services for you. So they will first verify your domain as well. And in the another step, set up a Bing Webmaster tool. Create a Bing Webmaster tool account. Bing is the second largest search engine in the United States. Bing Webmaster tool is a free Microsoft service that lets you add your store to the Bing crawler. Once added, you will show up in the search engine. Once open a free Bing Webmaster account by going to the sign up page, then add and verify your website on the Bing Webmaster tool. Bing is provided by the Microsoft. And then be on another important step is be on a paid plan. Get a paid Shopify plan stored on free trial or crawled and indexed. But if you are not on a paid plan, then the work you put in will disappear once your trial is over. It's also important to remove password protection on your pages if you are still working on same pages. So this is very important to use your Shopify paid plan. I hope you will start with next session. We will discuss further search and optimization of your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.